all. Nde musol jal me ya longo dal ilafta ka fudu chawai. Chawe in Africa. Ye cho sponsor everything better. Mansan. The next me cho ike cho sponsor kodo mena. O ke kilu tata ay sunkuto la fudu kodo nyin. I see that. Mansan. I sunkuto la fudu kodo nyin. We see that. Gama. Barsa nyin sunkuto nyin.
Ka sen sotol ko lamoy ni man la finna yele ko do muta hada madi ngo ala me so hakilo la fen kam fona am nga pour que mirati to add one and one yalo mimbe keri for 10 good years amari mo so futule so ba wakale batu keten still you are
ke jele sini ben joge kay mbot
ha
ide ke jele sini ben joge kay mbot
mo man tawatu ta ben jokan jube motige
ta jana ka fa nyaadi la ta ban dubai naburon
Yes.
Lebron ni muso nyin kete yo na kala nke yembe mo.
No, ega mum fotendi ranta kono le lafa idea la fonciale nyin dulato because this is a very important topic, Yes, because mfanan tambita kono some years ago, sivala no hansa nyimba dol kono la tinna malla no hadabadi won edi mo na baluwo kono kotenke. I'm happy right now. I'm buga for more embassy but I'm happy the way I am right now, Man laughing for the cook on in the end, Mimbekalanya, continuous disaster always 20. Yes. I can for example, 20 eka story me explain 20 mpananga do sponsor before. But more not a me yalo mari made and the Europe on a jana way some years ke Europe le before the been foreign. But ngando ke lonne before kotoke nyinti but kotoke made a Europe jana after kata kotoke nyin longa doko manyo long about a damento dal But with all that mineka ke ngando ke nyin sponsor le nga sponsor for time sort of for la faka classes fanan joy kabira bina school banda that time. But all of a sudden 2017 kono you don't know happen them for ma understand bulata confusion kono. So from that 2017 to date ngabula betrayal dorane kono kana bula for 2024 kono bebo 2017 About 2017 kanabula bila atina sanyi yalo ne mfongo sign kai let me just remain to be yalo ne ngam fom mutaten direct for the rest of my career if the right person comes in your time we have more I have to sit like this because this is something me along yalo ne kam mfongo eka sponsor mfongo la ifon kana wala use again ka sambo mol fana yatem ma fongo la duma kol nyilia after be bulandile ku kono mi yalo indian janni be fo jele katra blindine so kana risito do muta dole fanambulu mi yalo odunta la science for example odunta line auto science side so yal ne ba promise ol dila wala tenti commissaire is like a backup plan seriousness o te man bro so nyim backup yalo ne so ba jibe la nyim maybe ya jibe ko nyin dola system wala be ndo nyaato bari wala meta nyin doti foreign kono so sabe mina munegele hanita kata sponsor anything am worry wala de already ay dundi kala kono ora ay dundi ku kono ite you will be blind so abeta bulala again with no regret no remorse aita min dunda line auto science aita ono ma ani we ko dundi nyote marek aita al hajo la nte 2017 na boy dan ka wato min na kabiru wotu mo ngamera nun ko nyaale fo be yele kay but namera ka commence la ko continue for 2018 2019 but more fanam felende mi yalo janni nga nyina le ay time wotale but en karandi lesin jama fanan na baluwo fanan kono le woni bide
karandi lolti
I'm sorry thank you na bro very sad
annum fa
yaje yalla ma si wonya ali doya wala ale mentally problem ol di wala to gamé su ko rew mentally problem
ya on typical ni mange Gambia sugutu ndingol tide this is everywhere kana kuol ta yalla ndi mol ka wala
ale ndol ya tolle no ale ya tolle caravane tolle man ndol ba tolle fola
yalla beti ya tamata
to di duway ite kejele heart break kejele heart second second tande do no ko kana mo sawal ite
Musa bante
ite
atella bota badi bude ko gana wal fati bigan to la bota badi bude
sabaji to de
mola mo
ila faylo ko la majuna
alinkata marset Typical hey de la fayal ma futé wak dama fekke jan defuma fi dara tracé mo fi dara sutura.
Tay na bro.
I will not fast.
Na bro ya kera fa na la.
We break our fast. I'm in Dubai.
Assalamu alaikum.
Maaleykum salaam.
Yeah, TV.
From there around to be.
Ha?
Okay, ura.
Ura. Nga continue ya kera fa na la.
No.
Mega heartbreak follow.
Typical nga time buat lah wendel buka mulai yang hard na heartbreak. Well, I think ndemu mira muzo de ikam keu use le for ila kano le kaya keu ndel fana nga faible muso nga ninga muso kano no nga faible bagale keu akiyata nyawnya muso mu kano wo aka faiblesse wala side bagale.
Okay.
So omun tel keu bela problem on keu na muso kan rek aka muso dunia kanu aka intela miro ne muso ne aka no faalo ya kanu aka tulila so
Akamu
problem baltino
Aka tulila.
ni aka no faya lonko ya kanu le aka otherwise aka tulila ne ko ite be damin ko
Alka la kanol be tan ni molla ndedam mala sakeno.
Wala muso mu banke mu bahane mo kanu nyaawnyal di jam don't show the person like you cannot go without the person. Woman betia.
Yeah.
You know, and then kuba killing go for like be. Don't ever for never and forever la man be mena use la.
never ever.
Alkana mo no mami yalon ko amal kanu. Woman betia don't go for someone ni yalon ko ame kanu. Yeah.
Okay. Khadija, what is love?
I'm pretending siya na ko.
Khadija, munem kanod. What is love? Munem kanod.
Anta man kano lang kanto na mati. What is love? Ay along man kano lang. Malo mo nang kano tide.
Tabi boy so, anna Khadija ni love fola.
Kama lofo. Ni lofo ni.
Ah? Anna Khadija ni love fola, Khadija kawal munem kanodi. Okay. Demo go legele. Go yo yadile. Okay, we are coming. Tuti, what is love?
Love. If love la definition a jangaya tala man jangaya a complicate tale. Like I don't even know.
Thank you dem bonita la kulun kilinde man malo munon lofti.
Dembo ko yama love lo. Hay modu. Typical love comme maniko nyadi nyame kanu is a feeling like we don't go like you cannot see it, neither you can touch it. Or you dal mba fenke no le nyadi.
What is love?
What is love? Thank you. What is love, boy? Don't kala bari mun go disappoint boy.
Mo haji tije ni badi mun ko la ku man tara nyokon kana badi mun ko lati nyim ko
yala Gambia sumuda do be nyim pare bali me ko fo ngalo malo me mu kanu.
Ko ba ko badi ka wala ta fo no la ba define ka in English le.
Na se tout le fole nga fa boy na fa ale mu na love.
Abijana kumandi na haji tije. Hapo badi mun ko kana ni badi mun ko la ndati je.
Itu rete jam. Je, ega wala mu love ti.
Atije. No, ntenyo mi long in about love mbole foke, you know. Nta explain no la mandika wala. No, love is love. That's all.
What is love?
Love is love de wala.
What is love.com? Munam kanoti.
Love is love.
Kanu ko nyam mangor kula. Gani mangor kula kananta fambaye. Kanole sembo warta. Alcohol mal ko kalori Gambia suburi no.
Asembole wa
ko.
Ate define no la in mandinka komita phone hola. In mandinka semi phone manika.
Sabo angale la sai.
Wala come is a small feeling that ita mano la ita push no la ita control no la. Come atele ke control. Like this is what I know about love. Come is a stupid thing.
But Gambia chol nyininka. Ba Gambia suburi no flam jël ma love.
I have few words.
Ali say but.
Allo.
Okay, wasalam.
Islam.
Bro, typical nyadi lo.
Fine man.
Yo, ntemete la moyle janne de.
Ha.
Yaje ajubi akorosu ba kede gambe su ngudi no ika kamano kamani kuli kabatele wana.
Ha.
Amari ala family abulo jata bakala ko do buka soto.
I won't understand.
Nyale nan kamin fo su ngudi.
Yere
no
ko
kamo
ko tela wala.
No, mi kande ko nimendo kuli kabatele do fal kiyama kilo to banna.
Sai daga mo ko li ka batela wala.
No, imbe sungudi no lama sungudi no liye kamande kuli kabatele wana amari mo bulu jara ba abuka mo makoy sungudi no ma nyama made.
Ali ndio fa na bro. Ite fudu da fo ba single. Fudu fo ba single.
Bonte dinna ne be mbulu.
Dinna le be mbulu ko mu ite mu dem kanoti.
Yeah, well, typical. Kano love is all about love. You love your partner. You know, love are stood in maybe 2 or 3 different things. You can let me tell you. I'm gonna tell you something, bro. Hold on a minute.
Let me tell you something.
Maringa fem Kano a different. I know 3 or 4 different types of children. I understand. You say Bama Kano. I bella muela le. Okay, isi la wulula kanuno, ila wulula muso, isa kanuno le, that's a love. Okay, isi fama kanuno, that's a love. Isi la brother kanuno, that's a love. Isi la wife kanuno le, that's a love. But it's going to be different from you. Huh?
Ini la wife te mo dem kanon.
What typical boy didn't jamara benji we can change social media.
I want the crazy go get no brother. Get ila wife dem kanon. Because ya kanon assemble that because ba fo kan down to go. Ye kamba ni kunguli kabora. Sungure kamba kunguli kabora. Wam ka spend ala family. Bazal. So sa lafte ngam dem kanon. Because ne kanon ya kanon.
Nane ro ko mbera.
So mi da collect lo bula ni na. Gamol kuni nyama kabora. Hada timbe kali ya kendala nde timbe kali te hard de clever sire nde. Tele na ragandel hari ka fulo wan.
Ante nak ndena ma ex.
Wana la gambe sukuru ndebe kala fo jan dunya ma.
Any disappointment on the life kono fulo na.
Atuo nyam sabat. Kanu dal mo dal. Ba di fande.
Ko dal.
Teni ta dana ba do ko kan fulo na. Ay kam la ngakanu nak. Ñu fo pelo de.
Okay, ina ma kanu ba ina muso kan dalilo me yele muso kan mo fo robo. Mun dalil la na yele muso kan sa.
Japan, Africa. Nane do ko mambere ambe livre mbe
mo kan
ide da do. Gamben kewlo di sorry tonyato nyal mal memu kanot. Ato enta famalo.
Typical. Kano love is a mutual feeling. Mi alonko. Ite both parties wala ya share. You understand? Ni mo kanu. Pour yalonko ko mi kadi kanu la kanu le bene mo tema. Killing ikasila mari lale. Fula ibuka la fa mari e kamfa. You understand?
Ila kanu yoga silala.
Yeah. Ikasila mari lale.
Care about your lover.
Yeah, listen, let me define. Alkan yine kenne ni kadija alkan kilis kalas. Nim pare
ila lo sila lo bola.
Ila mo nga fo turu love typical. Ni mo kanwa.
Oh my god.
Sila ni amo ko ikasila mari ni aje pongo ila boy fo kijo ke fara. You understand this feeling that I'm saying?
I want the Kano. No, want the Kano. Kano is all about happiness. Happiness, no one is scared about happiness.
Typical. I'm not saying scared come near moja come abe fala le awesome.
Silo. Kadija, how they call silo in my silo? Why silo? You want English?
You're afraid of the person in a way that ibuka la
afraid is the same.
Mari kam fala. Ibotu nak. Iwa yentam nak.
Boy, you am love sa billah wala taala. You man rusna.
Yo ya ham love yo.
Dawla man so define love.
Yo love angulo.
So define love ya. Huh?
Wow. So define love lan moy xew.
Haral yay surprise sa. Man dictionary. Dictionary
Bi nga am yep a ite fem fo la min tambi tambe min fo kante.
Ko ni yo wax do dara because yo ida ma fo ngam kanu ka silema ni kan ñola.
Ma fo ko mi ka ma silo minna wolom kom kasila pura mari e kam fe kama wala ye fenke kom mi yalon ko mari ta like la always ba mix solale afo sila ngande.
ani bado na buro na nana fo may na ma ala na
assalamu alaikum nyal ko ndam
islam koran
alaikum assalam
tana onde sister albe be nyani
alhamdulillah guys I don't know request and bas kala patient da ngal si ngal je do man okay ana brother do you have a heartbreak
nde no
ina wana solo
no follow ma
ana mo la heartbreak ite
hani because mammo promise kombe futula
so e furlo fam fulo
no mam fudu follow
okay kam na bado
time all man see but
ay mo bina la itara je fo
na tina antare but
ko futu da mal heartbreak ko mini moy futu fa ma futu da mal heartbreak
ni wala karola kay but no yemo mo jala heartbreak tale but comme ite afunya me different it's also no karola munni futu ma ke kinenum ya obuga baya da mari ya
ko la fang amari ya ko ni do be findi
typical lafta diam la dami na
ko wonte
comme musola keol milano ke ka dino sponsor kala karambunjo ani buka sponsor fen kama fok pour ka futu nda mi wol keol fana inanda sile fanyo because ite ko mari mu sponsor amari be doare ala hakilo fo mammacho ite malo ko foni o menta o bete kanula fate
kanula ndegen
nyala kilo menda
ya na hakilo menta ite malo fa be kanula fate kan because time dinni wala ma time
ni mo tara sunkur ya tawlin tamé be trouble ay ko
muge moyde ila dia mo batari akam bakel
ko ini mo be sunkuti yala kabri sa ko be Gambia so den ina lafta ka futu ko ko mbar fo nga karamu ba estada kala karamu sponsor ina na ta mo kon yalo mo gaddi ndi ko di
bari mom be karamu na kay mom be karamu
because you said
aman karamu ma isa ko dinole dinunam
yeah over 10 years about sponsor kan five grade
omu dinuna di
from grade 12 to over 10 years ni abondije o watara o mari batara grade
boy amira mo be dindi marka dum karamu na
no amanke mo be dindi mar
bari mo be dindi marka dum karamu
typical ite story min fe nanjang eko over 10 years aba sponsor
o watara o mari
kami itan dindala kay abe dinu ni sponsor kabin time mo na karamu start
kabin 3 years aba sponsor
aba sponsor kan for one day okay sa ni o menda akama ne kanu yalo ko manka for
ya de comment like e kamen for day okay don't last school in na lebulo nyinna mansan so it's not like when they started you can understand okay but comment like boyo nyi ako almost 10 years about sponsor kam mansan okay so it are connect no comment like kabisa by 3 years grade 3 you understand
bari
leti ni ko do
typical
woni nara tramu na nanjam fo sunko la kramu ni fa finish bonkro na kramu la fa ko tay so da sani ya be connect nyola almost 10 years sani fo ni do kay ka bulante say ko do men jonga ja kay ko nyi nya men jaba na ko do la nyi nyan nyaaje de bulala
ya typical ani obe no abama ka kamba no ko do muda bulo kon because adi muso fudulay abama ke na flo muda do ke bulo ko sa di muso fudulay so say wala el fal be nata den kan ne ka jim foni jodo ka jam fa o nyaaba ya di do fa la kyoda ku hikaro do anything
scientific
no ndeka min foden typical ndela dia
ma ko ala nin kila kama okay
sorry
so ababa yam fala ine naske amama ko ala nin kila kama ayama ko ele because of amala fika bure because of ay ko do min dundige say paretal ko do nyinjo muna na man ko do nyin tabato
yalla mun problème o de typical because mi adi ben ndede di new blame la nta muso blame la but alfal like maybe in soul blame no because alfal yalla ne ko bi jamano ibuke di undi mola mi yalla ko akaman la fal asa keno ba sponsor ka fabina lafta fare ite alfa ite nyanto olonnal anda ala wululal nyanto olonnal so naka sponsor nyina kama ka fuko alafta ka fuko inyanda fala abadum folo ka di mbeda mindo di nuno med na menta asa keno abela filelal wala asa keno abe mojela lafta minna ya ntenga amire nyanda fala kamano nyi wala nyama yo bi ni be mo sponsor la comme amanta mi ale min fo jamba medal la moy kanne ake ala kan kila kan barka ni aka ka ko mun da ka ni ake ni ala me ma koy
labra mbat loje
ko fanna ay ni la dina wala je
kage
ante hamaga
ita kan dami dora mansal ndol be mu cewalet gana san nda tibigal ay nda sodol gana san ila ta mu so men futo la fal be ta ko 100% ni mekal na musoti al be promission di ñol ala nir sol ita bannola mansal you are there for her every time then the last minute asunguro ita e jam fayta fudu kedoy wa dimin tabake al sunguro ni ka ne sungu dama be sirim bi koy man ta fudu la ko tege because kewdo lel ya ketol la inana yendo ciol be wala miracle ko gambien ciowli man lele man trosina tayta musol fala melam ni musu kemelam 50% o be wala ke kan ciol me ya non ko la dudala in Italy avec in kabaduna in Italy avec kodo do kundi kan kendeke ay sunguro mit in online ali sunguro be ne karim fayda na fay futuwol be fo fana la family be ko nyode
fay kuro ki
sunguro ni nara la am dafa kambano nya kay go lefte yen sponsor na business on ndo chawni kay go business on ni nge ma ko ala bebe den na business on nara kay ha chawoy kodo ki more than almost 6,000 euro chawla kanyum fojede aki sunguro ni tara fo Dubai la ma fo Tokyo la ba ay bagasul sansala la day bilka bakato yele Gambia kon ay kewla nomba block ala nomba ta fali ano man get agreement they got to get married to each other so ay tani kewla ko left pour nga business o kew ko skadial arkana ni jabana si sungudi lu nyaati lu jande nabe baklo ya ringal man alman fudu alla fe yallo ko keke ndor wala kala na jande ala sidu waji Gambia ke ba tar jamal le fala ni trimale ga Gambia sungudi no do la bi wala na bi kadija no dolbe silata ima hani ka futu
Ata wodi la ko la de dama tara ka
de man amna lol because yow te yay ragal pour affaire sey
dama ta category ko la de
man fogg na yow ragal na wota yow be leji ay tok fofu hala lo rafetay ni
dama ragal de dama ta category kan dama na tay mol wato kan nga na ke nice
nakala sa tay bu na ñew yow ragal sa tay bu na ñew
ndama ragal de nda ragal ta muna wala kewlu me ala be make kewti TikTok ko la
to nakala mun na am lolu ki gor bu baala nakala mun na am lo so dugule nek so gisé nek bi so yow dugul nek bobu du ko am nek bi dafa nees wala neesu nek bi dafa ba ana miro ana television ngam nek bi dafa nek
nek bi dafa am chawlese
wa chaw Aisa mu record bi de Aisa America bis dara trop
damo ka farale to dugul si
no ya jël membe jam nga jël comme ma jël comme la exemple musol mel ya lon ko kewli battery ya be kel yela hattor ya betina ya had be jawol dila osan comme na adi final basan jawra di ko non wala sa ibe felandi be sirin tek albi e mandu futu woni ko ne matra hanyere kadu ke jama be je bi what they did they just come for the man for the woman just a mission Khadija be Angleterre ninga Khadija fura be sama Angleterre mo ta gay mu ko ñew Khadija na ko ha ma tege
ma xat break so to ngal mané ne na day dama tro association ko la de
aba foy bi jam for example
haral tuti haral ma
deglu ko
so no pour si man yo du understand suma waxtana bi ana lolu deka lolu deka la way haral ma rek bur gawante okay mané yow legi ni yow mak la yow du xalé
juwalo tuti
yes yow so také gor so amé gor legi ni bala sani kili gaw nya sen kilo nya man tano ale ma koy bala ben at mun am do ana lolu deka
degala
lo dekala way ma salla so legi yow yaay togg fofu ak sa rafetay ni horal rek xale bu am maana habul ale mu am jom ale mu rafetay bi horal rek ba léegi lan moo des ci sew yow léegi
jëkkër
moo des léegi
xaalis moo des si man xaalis
lan mooy xaalis mu ñëw xaalis mu dem bar góor mu ñëw góor muy dem ak yow ba arjana
straight
ana loolu
dëgg
yow ak Dembo sax man am na naka la sax affaire mu def nii
Dembo
amul lan mooy noppante yow amul lan moo noppante
Dembo tuwa jwale ba futula Dembo ba koto kan ne de
yow fana na sa boppa yow fana na sa boppa Dembo tamit mu fana sa boppa Dembo lay mooy dem ba kadi mu dem ba mais léegi yow amuloo waxtaane sax amuloo farra sax amuloo waxaale di dafa daw yaram
Dembo ñu bari
dafa daw yaram gay ku noppa Khadija inbox ko
abukake wonyama de
ako they are waiting for rice husband
manke rice the
rich husband
mankaram walimbulaje okay rich husband Khadija lo dekala
ndamante rich husband batuka ndabo husband who is mashallah top wow
alman kadi jara definition understand amanta da kewo nyine ka min rista de akalaf te kewo la mi yalon ko mashallah mi yalon ko anyi nyatale asafante kiyano
mane dorom hani bari kan mane ba ke de because man
mane ba fa wita tala illa mo intelligent yelong he's just looking for someone mi yalon ko you know a financial asafan support nole asate support nole you understand amos nafi jama kum kewo mi ko di jama so do sifa mo be nita asurata mola mi yalan ko toj da pocket do roga ba ko wol keno la fayen
wow
bari ika men foden Khadija ika men foden ma understand siyo bu ba understand ba ika understand okay right now you are good to go to have a husband and to get a married. That's very important in your life. This life is not waiting for no one. God didn't give anyone for contract. You'll be in this world for these 10 years or 30 years or 50 years. God didn't sign anyone with contract. We all didn't know when we'll go, when will be our last day. But when we are matured enough after 18 years, if you are a woman, what is good for you, even your mental health and your own health, you can pray. I know you are praying every day to have a good husband.
Yeah.
But 10 husband is coming in your life, you give them all red card. Bagar come red card. Musa come red card. Lavi come red card. Omar come red card. Yo, sa red card bi bari na legi. Sa red card bi bari na. Gor yep dafa daw legi.
maa ngi seetaan maa ngi xool bu baax bi waaw.
ok moo tax may laaj yow ban façon góor la buka an ban façon bu mag wala bu gàtt.
ndo fola jande bari ñin tanga jante ba lon nale waaw
naka mun na am loolu
ñin tanga ji doron teba comme like ibalon na doron
ale kamba no ni mel na fa Khadija la tali ya do ko ya futu.
That's a heavy joke.
I never.
Ila ke fala sina la moy am.
Ila ko tulo samta wala.
Nko Banga be kambano ni mel na fite futu la. E bala ni ko e sama morole aye futu.
I don't believe in that. Whatever Allah say it will happen. So go ahead.
Dem mo la nya pro wala.
Yo ma yalla kon tu man la fite futu. Ha.
Okay. Tu ga ka be fo. Okay.
Yana Khadija futu mo kile mi yalon ko amala falo Maria do kula tara yaay la wala bungo.
A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Astaghfirullah tubi. Tubi. La hawla wala quwwata illa billah.
Okay. So Khadija.
Apa jauh.
Khadija. Isilatala banka dum football kono bank for still libel time na tangam because en nga ku jamaaje ñin TikTok wal kono jamaabe je me alon ko dal they have something like a painful of their marriage, they have a bad experience in their marriage after when they divorce, then after they come in online, they are talking about the Gambians man, they are not Gambian girl, the Gambians man, they all are the same. So many single ladies, they all are scared now to get married, even they never experience it. So maybe if you also are feeling the same or still not, you are waiting for your real time.
To be honest, the experience, man can tell the experience, to be honest. Yes, it's good to hear about it, yes, to hear other people's story and, experiences, but just because they went through it, maybe my own would be different, maybe my own will also have, that in there, but who knows. But every marriage has its own downside as well. So I better what. Sometimes as human beings, we have to, we go against each other sometimes, do things to each other sometimes.
Yeah.
But no, it's not because of that I'm scared, because there's people coming here saying the experience. No, those people are not me. So me, I haven't had my experience yet. So if I have my experience yet, then I can come and say whether it's the same, whether it's different, right?
Yeah.
Exactly.
So what is your wish for the next year?
My wish for the next year?
Yeah.
To graduate, get a good job, get a big house, build a big house in Gambia, build a big house in Senegal, buy a house in here, Angleterre.
Okay.
Yeah. And have a lot of money.
Subhanallah.
There's nothing like husband in your dreams. There is nothing like husband in your dreams.
Yes, also good husband. Good husband.
Khadija.
And to build to have money to build a charity foundation in Gambia and Senegal. Okay,
God will do that. So only that.
Yes, and to also have a husband. What is husband? But to have a husband as well, a good one. Yes, a good one.
Kania, what you are just saying is important. Some women, they are so fully independent and they have enough money and they are rich. And what you have mentioned that all, they have that all, but they don't have the happiness.
Yeah, well, that is not just for women, that's for men as well.
No, in this life is we all have we all create for the partner.
When that time comes, I cannot stop it because it's God's doing.
No, but then you don't mention that for your prayers too. And for your wish.
I'm stingy.
More stingy.
Able to prove. Right now, I'm good. So when I have a husband, I need to be good than now. Until I see that I cannot go into somebody's hands.
You cannot go somebody's heart. That's true. Okay. But like what you are just saying.
What a husband can do for me, I can do it for myself right now. So what will be the problem?
Okay. Now many people in Gambia. So we are seeing that they are the one who they want to get married. But the girls who they are living in Europe here, they don't want to get married. That is true or false?
No, that's not true.
That's not true.
No.
Okay. Because in some Gambians that right now, they are doing a lot of effort, they can get a husband. But lot of girls in Europe here, they don't have any effort to do. What their mission is, I want to have a good job, I want to have a money, I want to have this and this and this. The life is not waiting for anyone. We all have a parents. We all from the good family.
But typical, the problem here is that why is it that men's, for example, men's that are living in for example, your type, they can prefer to leave Europe and then go to Africa, to bring them rather than getting married to the people that are living there with them. Why?
Okay, thank you so much. What you are saying, that is very important and it can be my concern. Okay. Me honestly, what I experienced it all in my life, I will not advise any Gambian man to go in Gambia to get married. Honestly, from deep from my heart. When I live in Europe here, you marry a wife in Gambia, the woman is in Gambia there. I will not advise any of my friends or the family member to do that.
Okay, why?
My own experience. Okay? But one thing is there, what you are saying. Okay, sometimes some Gambians, some girls in Europe here, they all big themselves. They see they are big enough themselves. That's what I mean. Because maybe some people in down there, they are really interested of Khadija, but they are scared to come to say, Khadija, I really love you. And maybe Khadija type is that person. That's what I mean. Because what Khadija are saying. But me, I'm different of the some men. Me, when I love someone, even you are a queen of the queen son or daughter, I'll just come to face in your eyes. I say, hey, hold on, man, you're regular no. You're more tough man mulo now. Man, do rakan ken. Asuma affair no one. Understand? Okay. And two, the guys who definitely are in Europe here, most of them, they don't want to get married. Because what? They don't trust us. And we also in Europe here, we don't trust them too. This boundary, we have it between us.
Oh, okay. The trustness is not there.
Exactly. The distrustness is there. Gambians guys, they don't trust the boy who they are in Europe here. The boys also, they don't trust the Gambian guys. Like example, Dembo is living in Italy. He don't have a document. Dembo is fall in love with one girl, is in living in France or UK. So Dembo expresses his love, but he don't have the document. The person will think like, okay, Dembo love me because he want to come in UK, or Dembo will love me because he want to have a document. Not you, Khadija. Not you, Khadija. I'm just saying like an example. You understand what I mean? Okay, me too also, then I can see one guy is from in Italy. He just a newcomer there. You understand what I mean? He don't have a document. This person fall in love with me. He especially love to him, but then what is come in my mind? The person want to be settled down. He want to come in here, then when he have a child together, then he can have a document in German to stay with me here to have a good things between me and her. Okay, this boundary is between us. You understand what I mean? And three, they just think like the girls who they are so independent, he don't do 100% marry with their husband. Mandika counter mbaringa taji. Muske jama abe je kamune fo. Ne musome alo ko ngaftu Europe jam. Ala naflo siana naflo, ala income siana naflo. Atel respect la futu woni kono. O ka anda jama abe je ke sila pour ke futu.
Jumalo, no, that's insecurity of them.
Okay, I didn't say yeah. We are just talking about general right because he just asked in the question. Mayala is very important because a lot of men they just go to Gambia, they marry there, and they leave their wife there, and their wife still they have a boyfriend there, and their wife always taking
Okay, typical. For example,
in their body.
Yes. Africa. Okay, amari yakamba no sote je abeku okay kanje ane muso futu Europe because the person is financially stable abe 50 lekele 50k tele bol ko kala din kudol because amari kata do ko la yewol ke imamela wala fisiata den yemo futu Africa tara kamba no sote kanje and then be cheating on you imamira.
Okay, what you have said that's also is important. If you understand. Okay, this all you cannot know it 100% who and who is cheating. You know what I mean? Okay, but it's a lot. Some people, their wife is pregnant behind of them before they come. Some people, they just go a holiday in Gambia, then they return back to India after the holiday. After the 11 months, the woman have a child. So who is the father? Some people, they go in Gambia, they have a holiday. After they come, then after 6 months, the wife is delivered. They have a child. So who is the father of that child? So many semesters now they are heading of this kind of situation. They are facing this kind of situation.
Let me explain.
Okay.
Manika Kawala.
That's the government of Florida.
Europe and in Kawal Milbe Europe, Iman Lanyola because of Momoro Dinka Milale, Nindona take a selfish interest. Namle Bolofoka.
Okay, thank you. You're down to Foka, more for it, but not down to Fanam for a motor much bad.
No, you said it in English, well, Latin, and some of the audience.
Left down the follow price scenario. Okay, Niaje B, Gambian Musol need to Gambian kill. Gambia Sugurun Dolia prefer, I can't Gambia Muskio Futugia Samana. The way that they prefer. Okay? dole be je fana Gambian chawlo ya prefer ta Gambia muso futu je wole fi say Gambia su ngudu futu tuwa duga and that is a very sad mansa we see lot of countries here now they marry to each other any mega come killing off mansa so then needed way do when you so albal do kula muslim albal do kula albal do kula who how you we all are grown up from our family compound gana ko okay ba ninte ni tuba boy di so left ken dingo kulu nya be ta ken wala nya kan sa okay ba nindi Gambia ni way dingo so mansa left a kulu la nya ba kulu la nya because until we have all the same one mentality gafam okay but sa to la Gambia sunko ni jawabe je bi muna ne malaf ka futu Gambia ni chawdoli ko Gambia chawdoli je dol kata la life dol kata economic mission they just go to them for the mission and that is a very sad okay left musola bi bari lo daja yaji nga dol je ka ko left musola me alon ko na flo ba who is a richest person left all futu Gambia ke jama je dadde ya do it okay etata Khadija ka misal fi a mission okay Khadija is a richest person Khadija is a business type Khadija have everything but you just go have your own mission to go and Khadija so that to marry Khadija so that you can fulfill your mission. So then Khadija also fall in love with you, but he didn't know what mission you have. But Khadija was thinking like you have a real love for her. So that's what Khadija was doing that for you. It's there for you, day and night. Then one day, then you just see that now you are just succeed. You betray Khadija, then you go and marry someone. Then Khadija, how he can be healed. So Gambian ke jama je wala mi to la problème oti e lafta muso la bele na flo so e lafta bulal muso le no bele yalo goda ni sura fe on muso ba kele so la na muso man la non tolla dol fala man la no muso la munan to dol fala man la no muso la e ka muso futu jande me yalo ko na futu raja mansan bar muso yala on secret plan so la nata menkela muso do ya futu kayta tabulo kon ba to be focus ko how he can get a document muso ya futu atabe focus rumuna ina dinkilo so ina dinkilo so sala di wote kaga ba ta da radio gal so sala ba jogo ba ta korra kullo to san Gambia la tara loga ana ke mo amela rum bunkilo fo ga akala billahi wala taala muso dol be jamel ya lo kala wol be ni yiro banko kanyol ka typical lafta mo ro sana jamu ya bar mala fin ke ma yalla daga kolo kina janka moto se gam jay ka kiye so kono sa khatre do ko ma bu ke ma kalo Dol go korla security force go. Say ni cho na fana to detect one day. Do you think that marriage will go?
I say go no, but the trust will just disappear.
Okay, the trust will not be there. Okay, say muso fele dem bi. Ani cho. Tell everything ani muso ba fele. But say muso can mention that he just hide it from the husband. So yaje Gambian ke jama beje. Kukil ne beje musa musul malaf ke marasa special meliano ke biro jam. Yela muso fudu je lafta ka mara lafta ka condemn nya do nyama muso se la sa ko denda condemn lo nya I will not accept that ya be hanyla ko muso ni fudu ka Europe jambe aje ko muso le sembo so rekeo bani dere muso fru in Africa ngoy ko mala fi ku rodu lafte fano siri yala be na ko mo moyla bay de be jaw ko mala fi fen sutu do ko jogo fayda ka sen because you have your own income you are financially stable. So say I didn't push and pull, but that is not my willing. It was a matter of branch to go through. But I can't count a yard there, the account of Fama Kunoji. Looking at a problem for a party, Mansell Kumandaka Nenana. But this is very sad. Gambia's movement that might to Abu Jamelia local Mafu. Gambia's movement to Abu Jamela local Mafu. Had to be. Melbourne Gambia's movement to Abu Jamela Mafu, Niaka container on Kunakol. Bakilo melbe jamela wana kunna kon bar Gambia ke jama fu musol ñi in Gambia wal ni kumbol be sir wal ni ñaajol be sir wal ni disappointment on sir bar be deri nga kan tek wala ko ndeta Gambia ding killing advice la go and marry in Gambia before I used to do it but now no mo jamale la problem mo ko futa mana ku jamale tekit tan tol mano me alon ko dala muso tarada na airport alamu ate chekin gerro ka dum kono ka dal weti rumo go kabaro flight da pajiro atamur ka nyana mo do dal sunguro al kamano ayeke wala na airport you turn back to your boyfriend
too bad
wada ma si bakisa wala ba sa ni duma chema tinyaro ke musol man sila kyol man sila musol man na do man ya il confusion generation dem ko la ma ko kamera mayna muna ne do ko
boya
andi do kamera mala yena na dembo muna ne man fudu
No be dula do nda camera mala no way wa hako bo nda busy na bo.
tay muna ne man fudu
Dula nda camera nda ka bor camera tay wala no.
tay muna ne man fudu dembo
Ha?
muna ne man fudu
Anda ma moja mo nyama moja ko.
Hey, Dembo.
Na moja de.
Dembo yinti kita ko kala.
Dembo kanu fo waye nyaay mil be jor man ka moti wal muneti
Wal be fudu la ko. Ni wal be na fudu la.
Be fuduta.
so dembo agane de ko woni fudu musol le jefo
So la fa me la fa mula mi ya kalu ko manya. Mi ba kan ko menya ba tan kan no. Comme ça la da no. Typical. Please mbada mbo ciao.
igal
Dembo futu iba koto kande Dembo.
akanya mo moje folo
Dembo Italy il faut Italy je tubabol tije sungutin mo fiol tije.
Tama moja Italy jande. Modi jan mora Italy jan. Ya understand. Modi jande.
Gambe mo moji je.
Aja nyadi lo. Kadi yang kawa moji jan. Kadi wala ninga moji jan.
Ha sai Gambe fane mo moji je fana.
No. Amoy Gambia de.
wal dembo
Kamu sa moy tara Gambia de I don't have I want to lepan ni na way betara nyoka wala mo na wis. Ya understand. But sambala fudu pa de fudu hal man fudu wala hani de. Ndembo ngam inten na man ko mo ande bola kala. Ya understand. Ndembo ka mo kare ko sam wala bendu na fudu wontende. Ala pan ni dafa ni na way betara nyoka. I want to close my wife. No wife. Lepan na close no. Iniyo fanna. Iniyo dalina. Ya understand. Wanda close na mom la so mal ben jonga jamfanna. Mbe ka kare sanjo kono sango kono sankili da. Edi wal be nyame man ko do nyame man wala. I cannot like that kind of because man live ko. Close na mom la niyo pa dem bala le. So la pan dingol ni wala fanna. Man le jamfa jamfa tan nin dingol te. So mo la family is different. Aha.
okay sai tudi
Gambia ata muso futula sate do
tudi na kewa min dola
ha
kewa min do
Dubai